Hey y'all, so here I am with another cleaning video, and this is my nighttime routine cleaning video. So at the end of the night, after I've put the kids to bed, I usually try to catch up on things like cleaning the kitchen, making sure my kitchen is clean, because if my kitchen is clean, then I can go to bed with peace of mind and know that my kitchen is not something I have to worry about in the morning. So I'm just washing the dishes. So after I've washed all the dishes, then I will load my dishwasher and then dry all the dishes. Most of the time, these just get left out so they can dry overnight, and then I'll put them away in the morning. But today, I was feeling a little extra, so I decided to dry them off and put them away. The granite that we have shows everything. It shows every little smudge, every little fingerprint, every little everything. And so I usually have to wipe it down every day and like several times a day because I just can't stand having fingerprints or anything on my granite. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the stove from dinner. Usually, you know, a little couple food splatters are on there, and then just continuing to wipe up the granite on both sides of the stove. It also shows a lot of dust. Ugh, I cannot stand this color granite. So what I do is I usually buy in bulk from Costco or Sam's, and then, so I bought this bulk Dawn dish soap. I just use this little method. It was the foaming dish soap container, and I just refill it. And the key to this is just taking lots of water and then putting a little bit of the Dawn dish soap, and it still stays foamy. So I'm just going to wash my little spoon rest, and then that's pretty much it for all the dishes. So every couple days I like to give my sink a good scrub, and I'm just using this Comet cleanser to scrub out my sink and make it shine and get rid of anything that, you know, is building up on it. On this particular night, my 9-year-old was not feeling well, so she's gotten back up, and I'm trying to clean real quick and take care of her. She had a really bad cough, and we ended up going to the doctors, and they said she was fine. So this little tub here was a lifesaver. So we were always throwing our dirty rags into the laundry basket, and it ended up like mildewing and souring in there. So I bought this little tub, and anything wet, anything dirty, I will put in that tub. So I'm just picking up the blankets because the girls were watching movies. Here I'm just taking out the recycling. They have a large recycling bin for us here in this neighborhood. It's really nice because it gets quite full actually. And then I make sure that the kids' little area for the morning is all set up. They use this bench to house their backpacks and books and lunch bags and jackets, and I'm just trying to organize it so in the morning, usually we're running like pretty tight, so I just make sure that everything's kind of organized so that they can just grab it and go. And then I'm going to throw in a load of laundry. Then this thing we just got this, it's a DEEBOT. I got it off of Amazon, and it's pretty much been a lifesaver because we run it at least once a day, and puppy dog here does not like it. She does not like this at all, but usually run it at nighttime when we're going to bed and everybody's settling down, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much my night routine, just cleaning up and making sure that things are picked up so that when Hubs gets home, the house looks nice and clean, and that I don't have to wake up in the morning and see a mess. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.